Let's see just how easy it is for feedback providers to use Talent 360. So I would have received an email that contained a link, and I clicked the link and it's taken me straight into this particular screen where you can see I've got some customizable instructions on what to do and on what good feedback looks like. I can see that I have 7 pages to complete within this questionnaire, and I can also create a PDF of it as well if I want to consider it when I'm traveling or offline. And also you can include a link to some more information, perhaps about this 360-degree review. Here we're seeing a 5-point ability-based scale, and you can choose really whichever scale you wish within the system, or you can quite simply add your own. You can also see that we have support for free text questions wherever you wish. Furthermore, the mouse rollover shows the particular scale point. I will just save as I go, so it's not necessary for me to complete the entire questionnaire in one go. Here I can see I have a 6-point frequency-based scale, together with some response into a free text question. You can see there's an automatic spell checker in there as well. So moving on, just another example of a scale, and here you can see a 7-point extent-based scale. We can also see that there are some mandatory questions that I've not yet completed. These are marked by a red star, and you can see there is an absence of a rating. Here we have a 3-point effectiveness-based scale. You might choose a scale such as this if you are using this for, say, performance appraisal, where you might just ask the manager and the employee to complete this. And finally, we have an example of a behaviourally anchored rating scale. So the competence is organisation, planning and supervision. The next skill is coordinating resources, and quite simply, the user just reads these particular statements and picks the one that best describes the individual. There are not very many systems that can include both this type of scale as well as a more conventional Likert scale. Also, you can include just free text questions really wherever you wish, and you often tailor those questions to be very specific to the review. The last stage is to press the Submit button, and the system will check that I've completed all of the mandatory questions. And that's Talent 360.